Hi, this is Crazydon Overland, and this is my install and review of Melipron Universal Platform. Now let's do the unboxing. So right here we got the accessories, nuts and bolts, mounting brackets, link fillets, and some other rubber seals. So next are the main body. 6 of the middle bar, 2 of the short bar, and 2 of the long bars. So I'm just double checking if I have the correct number of bars. So you're gonna get the 2 of the long bars, 2 of the short bars, and 6 of that middle bars. Looks like it's all good. And now let's check the accessories that came with the package, just to make sure we have all the parts we need and none are missing. Okay, so we have 4 tie-down straps. Next we have the links for the main body to connect the short bar and the long bar. So these are some rubber seals for the bars. I'm not really sure, but I think this is for wind noise reductions. Okay, now we have the mounting brackets. It feels heavy duty and kind of sturdy. Lastly, here are the other mounting accessories: T-screws, spring nuts, M8 bolts, flat pads, and other stuffs. Looks like everything is here, so let's go on and assemble the main body. First, you will have to prepare the long bar. You will have to insert 6 spring nuts on the lower gutter of the long bar. No need to position the spring nuts yet, you will do it later. And just make sure the springs are underneath when inserting it. So just repeat the same process on the other long bar. Next we are going to connect the long and short bar using the provided link plates. Use the provided screws to secure both bars. And don't forget to include the lock nut and the flat washer. Repeat the same process until you assemble the main frame. For the middle bar, you will have to measure the length of the bars from each other. And so at this point, measurements will vary depending on how far apart your crossbars are from each other. When you have your measurements done, position your spring nuts and align it on the other side. Just repeat the process until you finish the middle bars. So it's late already, so I'm gonna continue my installation tomorrow. Since the platform was lightweight, I actually managed to put it up by myself. I strongly suggest not to lift the platform by yourself. At least 2 persons should do the job. Last thing to do, is to secure the platform using the provided mounting bracket plates. And that's it. Installation is complete. So this was a very easy install. It took just an hour to assemble the platform and maybe 20 minutes to secure it on top of my Jeep. And now stick around for some montage.